The Internet of Things represents a collection of devices attached to the Internet that collect and exchange data using nodes and controllers. In this segment, we'll discuss some best practice guidelines when dealing with an IoT device. First, let's take a look at some of the many devices that exist to improve our lives. I'm here at this website where we can see devices that include home automation, healthcare, phones, and wearables. Devices on the Internet of Things pose unique challenges in managing information, as all systems are essentially interconnected. IoT devices can gather petabytes of data on a daily basis. Each IoT device can have an expansive attack surface, which are entry points where we can launch an attack. The attack surface can include things such as weak or missing passwords, outdated software, or physical access to the device. In addition, each IoT device can have several attack vectors, which represents possible ways where we can launch an attack. Attack vectors for an IoT device include things such as gaining access to the wireless signal or open ports. The goal is to gain access to the device to take control. For example, let's take a look at this graphic where we see the extent of the possible attack surface of a single vehicle. The attack surfaces here include the safety-critical systems, wireless technologies, and big data systems. Reducing the risk of an IoT device includes guidelines on what the manufacturer must do to ensure the device is more secure, along with consumers researching a product before purchase. Now, some of the manufacturer's responsibilities include make sure IoT devices have continuous security updates. All devices should have the ability to be password protected. Have a dedicated department for consumers to report vulnerabilities. And any discovered weaknesses should be resolved in a timely manner. While it makes sense that a manufacturer should take steps to secure their IoT devices, this doesn't always happen. So prior to purchasing, do some research. For example, you might want to learn how you can reduce the threat of a cyber attack on your vehicle. And I found this website where it discusses some of the things that you can do. One of the key points is how malicious actors can use your vehicle's key fob to gain access to your car. And I did a search on how to protect key fobs from hackers. And it came up with a list of devices that will protect a malicious actor from gaining access to the signal on your key fob. But once you're confident that your device is secure, enjoy your IoT device. Now let's test your knowledge. The Internet of Things represents billions of devices attached to the Internet. Discuss some best practice guidelines when dealing with an IoT device. You can record your answer on the challenge worksheet.